What's up YouTube, welcome to Agrawal Bros. I am Akshat, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you a super cool way with which you can make extra $1,000 per month easily. So before diving into this method, if you are new to my channel, then please browse through the collection of the videos that I have on my channel. I regularly post videos on how to make money online. You can watch my channel and learn methods like how to make 1000k with an idea, how to make $1,000 over and over again, make $250 in 30 seconds, make money from TikTok, make money from YouTube, etc., etc. So just visit my channel, browse through the collection of videos, and if you like these videos, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for instant notifications. So today's video is about a site called rover.com. This is the interface of the site. It's the rover.com. So basically what you will do with this site, you are gonna get paid to play with dogs. So if you are a dog lover, then this site is for you. So this is basically you offer dog boarding services from your home and you get to earn money. So this is how it works. Ready to start having doggy sleepovers in your home? Most rover sitters who offer doggy boarding get a request within their first week. So all you need to do is you need to create your profile. So tell what makes you a standout sitter and include details of your pet sitting experience. Upload high quality photos of you, your pet, and your home. So this site is for those people who like pets and who have pets and who would like to earn some side income while dog boarding. This is for those people. So this, after creating your profile, you need to wait for review. The application generally gets reviewed quickly, and then you're open for business. You can earn up to $1,000 or more per month. Enjoy automatic payments on our secure platform and flexibility to choose your own rates and schedule. This is the best part. You choose your own rates and schedule. And this is it. You need to just create your profile, get it reviewed, and start earning. You can make up to $1,000. You can also take a look at these frequently asked questions. What are the requirements to offer dog boarding? It basically says that anyone can become a dog boarder, and the most important thing is here, rover sitters come from a variety of backgrounds, but successful sitters are dog lovers first. So this is the most basic requirement of this site. And this is another important thing. How much does it cost to become a rover sitter? It's free to create your profile on Rover, and you keep 80% of your earnings. The other 20% help us cover benefits for sitters, including the cost of processing payments and ongoing promotion of sitters on Rover, as well as Rover support, 24/7 trust and safety coverage, and important site maintenance and production improvements. Okay, so this is the site. You can come over to the site and sign up with them and start earning right away. You can earn up to $1,000 per month. It's absolutely free to join. And so I also checked some reviews of so here is one review. Let's just take a look at this. Visit Rover website. Rover, they have given it 4.05 out of 5. So here are the pros. Choose your pay rate as the sitter. Great app and website to book and pay. See sitters availability on the calendar and their fees upfront. This is for the people who can who want to offer their pets while they are going for a vacation or something. Maybe more flexible for drop off and pickup times opposed to a kennel. Great sitter communication via the app with text, photo and video sharing. So this is another cool thing. You can communicate with the sitter, so the person who is offering dog boarding service can communicate with the owner of the pet. So this makes the pet owner feel secure. Availability for sitters to GPS track walks, standard criminal background checks with voluntary enhanced check. So this thing gives comfort to uh, the owner of the pet. So these are the pros of this site. So there are some cons also. It take 20% of sitters earning. Many complaints of grave issues that were not handled satisfactorily by the customer service team. So there were some cons, but overall it's a good app and many people have positive experiences. So this is a cool site. You can take a look at this site and try this site, and if you're a dog lover, then you should try out this site. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the content in this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting more such kind of videos which will tell you how you can make money. So this was today's video. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.